Hi, it's Andriy, and this is the introduction video for Android chapters. We already completed Kotlin part. I'm super excited. If you didn't check it yet, please check it out. Previous videos about the Kotlin basics needed for Android development. If you already know some Kotlin, that's fine. So we can start with Android finally. So I work hard on curriculum. I made many changes just to make the proper program to basically go through all of the important topics to be able in the end write proper Android application. So this is the curriculum. We have here 15 chapters, and in general I believe it's gonna be about 40 videos on those topics. So in general I splitted these topics in two parts, so the black ones and the red ones. The red ones is about legacy. So as I showed you before in how to which are the ways to create Android application, there are many ways. There is Flutter, there's React Native, and now of course we focused on Android Native. And even in Android Native there are also ways how to make the application. And I believe that we should stick to newest technologies, because at some point they're gonna replace everything which existed a long time ago, like from the first Android, from like even now. And we are going to use the new approach for Android development. And this is the approach I'm going to focus really on my course. And this course will be named Modern Android Development, not just Android development. But in the same time, I believe that every Android developer should know some basics about the legacy, because first, it's of course interview questions. So if you want to find a job, usually interviewers, they can ask you those questions about some legacy things. Just to let you know, it's not deprecated, it's still in use, but I believe that it's gonna be deprecated soon. This is my strong opinion, and I see how it where it goes, how it looks, and yeah, this is the way. And the second part is that you basically, when you join the company and there is a code base, there is existing Android application, there is a big chance that you had to touch some code which was written by nice people 10 years ago, and yeah, you need to understand what's going on there. That's why we have these legacy topics. So yeah, talking about legacy, I just want to give you this super simple example. So nowadays we have gasoline cars and electric cars. And the gasoline cars, they're nice, so they're comfortable, they can bring you from A to B, they basically fulfill all of the requirements and they do their jobs. And in the same time, now there are electric cars, which I believe at some point will replace gasoline cars, because it's more efficient, ecological, and there are many things. Of course, some of them that are controversial. It's not about it, but what I'm trying to say is that at some point the completely new approach for building cars will replace the old approach. Old engines will be replaced with the new one, and yeah, we should probably stick to new technologies to be on the wave, to understand all of the modern things which are happening in Android development. And the electric car in Android development is Jetpack Compose. This is a framework, or even I would call it philosophy, how to develop Android applications. It was released by Google, so it's totally official, and at some point I believe that Jetpack Compose will be a single standard for Android development. So we'll talk about Jetpack Compose later, how it works, what is the difference between Jetpack Compose and legacy way to develop applications. But now I just want you to subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next lesson. Yeah. Bye.